Shenzhen PCBA Online DT Company Limited is a subsidiary of Allchips, which is a one-stop PCBA intelligent manufacturing factory, with a group of experienced experts focused on electronic products manufacturing. We provide service to the international market across different industries, such as automotive electronics, medical electronics, new energy, smart home appliance, network communication, robotics, industrial control, and security. We focus on providing one-stop turnkey service, including PCB quick-turn production, BOM procurement, and SMT assembly. Equipped with a 2,000 square meters dust-free production workshop, Yamaha automatic assembly machine, 3D SPI, AOI, X-ray, BGA reworks station, and other equipment. Our core capability is fast turnkey PCB assembly service, from prototype to mass production. No matter what stage your product is in, as long as you hand over the production files to us, we will complete all the remaining production activities, including components sourcing, bare boards fabrication, and assembly. With the support of our self-developed efficient ERP system and the factory's advanced MES system, we seamlessly connect the process of components supply, PCB production, and SMT, break the information barrier, eliminate the information island, and make the turnkey PCB assembly service of higher quality, higher efficiency, and lower cost.
Why?